Good day, my name is Henlo Wenzel. I'm from South Africa. I'm 28 years old. I was born on a farm here in South Africa on a cattle and sheep farm. I got 5 years experience in America. I can do a lot of driving semi-trucks, do a lot of tractor working, field working, planting, corn, wheat, barley. I can do all the basic maintenance on a farm, like fixing tires, greasing, changing filters. Yeah, I got 5 years America experience with all equipment, different equipment, like JCB loaders, and then yeah, I'm a hard worker and loyal, and you can trust me. If you give me a work, it will be done in time. And yeah, I don't smoke, I don't drink that often. I'm working. I know what it takes to work long hours on a farm, Monday till Sunday, if it have to be. Yeah, like I said, I know what it takes to be a farmer and what it takes to be a good guy on a farm and to be a good worker. And I'm a quick learner, fast learning, always willing to learn and all new things, to learn new experience on a farm, and yeah, to win everybody's trust on a farm. So thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.